It was 1976 when the world first met the Honda Accord. At the time, it was only offered as a compact hatchback. More than 40 years later, and an unprecedented 31-time recipient of the Car and Driver's coveted 10 Best Award, this is the 10th generation 2018 Honda Accord. Honda designers and engineers went back to the fundamentals of proportion on this one. The athletic stance almost gives you the impression it's ready to battle. Long-standing Honda design principles are also at work with its low wide body, plus a longer wheelbase, lower overall height, wider body, and wider wheel tracks. Shorter overhangs and a swept-back look with a visual center of gravity moving closer to the rear wheels gives you the impression the Accord is always in motion. At the front, a bold upright fascia with signature chrome wing front grille sits above a huge main air intake, crisp LED headlights and LED fog lights, and stunning 19-inch rims complete the new Accord's aggressive look. Under the hood, there are three new power plant options for the Accord: a 2-liter turbo, a 2-motor hybrid, and this one we have the 1.5-liter turbocharged engine. Plus, take advantage of sport mode for a more spirited driving experience. Inside the Accord, you'll find a larger, more premium interior that complements the exterior design from the driver's seat. You'll notice lower front hood design and narrower pillars which have been moved back relative to the driver's position, so all it does is an amazing panoramic forward view, giving the driver an unprecedented visibility. The redesigned seating features wider, more deeply padded arm, taller shoulder, bolstering and improved lateral support. What you'll notice is how great it looks and how comfortable it is. Form and function seamlessly brought together, plus a 12-way power driver's seat with height-adjustable lumbar support, rear heated seats, and driver and passenger heated and ventilated seats. Top it off with a heated steering wheel. Technology-wise, the Accord starts with an all-new ultra-slim 7-inch TFT driver's meter that houses a host of customizable information. On the 2018 Accord, Wi-Fi hotspot with up to 4G LTE, which is speed perfect for our next feature, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which sends key apps to the new 8-inch display audio touchscreen with physical volume and tuning knobs, plus intuitive smartphone-like features and functionality app titles, shortcuts. You're likely already familiar with the ones you paired your music. It's time to enjoy the 10-speaker, 452 watts sound system. Of course, if loud music isn't your thing, you're going to love this soundproofing that Honda engineers have built right into the 2018 Accord, including the Honda exclusive wheel resonators, which is a brilliant piece of engineering design right into the wheels to help further reduce road noise. In addition, you can take advantage of the amazing Honda Link app. Once you have the app on your smartphone, you can do things like start your car remotely, send a destination to your navigation system, and even geofence a designated area for your new Accord. If the car leaves the area, the app will notify your parents of new drivers. You get it? Plus, for those of you that have ever walked into a parking lot full of people, thought where you park your car, the app will tell you where you park your car. When it comes to safety, the 2018 Accord comes standard with a Honda Sensing, which includes collision mitigation braking, adaptive cruise control with low-speed follow, lane keeping assist, road departure mitigation, and lane departure warning, plus 8 airbags, and for the first time, knee airbags. The standard multi-angle rear-view camera makes reversing easy and safe, with additional features like cross-traffic monitor and blind spot display. Now, for those of you who like to take longer trips, there's 2 other pieces of technology that I want to show you. The first deals with a posted speed limit. Ever been on an unfamiliar road and found yourself thinking, is it 60 or maybe is it a 50 or a 70? The forward-facing camera on the 2018 Accord actually has traffic sign recognition, so it'll capture the most recent sign you pass and display the posted speed limit on the head-up display or the TFT screen. Also, for those long trips, the Accord comes with Honda Driver Attention Monitor. This intuitive system actually tracks your driving and warns you if you start to exhibit signs of fatigue. Make the 2018 Honda Accord yours with a host of available accessories. Visit your local Honda dealership to meet the all-new 10th generation Honda Accord. Yours truly, Eddie Gigi. Thank you for watching. Please press that like button and subscribe. Thank you so much, and God bless.